In this tip of the day, let's take a look at creating a tooling plate within OneCNC. Now, I already have a rectangle created at the proper Z depth. Let's give this rectangle some thickness by heading over to the Command Manager, selecting Extrude, and then Extrude Curves. Now, of course, you can type in the height of the extrusion here, or you can just left-click on the boundary and then right-click, and then you can drag that extrusion in any direction that you'd like. I'm going to drag that down to minus 375 thousandths, left-click, and then right-click to finish. All right, so there's the very beginning of our tooling plate. Now, the next technique is great because it's going to allow us to create two bosses that are going to accurately locate this part. All right, so to create the two bosses, we're going to head back over to the Command Manager, go into your Model Tools, and select Extract an Edge. Take your cursor and then just left-hand click on the inside edge of both of those holes, just like that. When you're finished, you can right-hand mouse click. All right, now I'm going to select that geometry that we just created. In fact, the easiest way really to do that is just select by color. Let's go select by color. I'm going to select all the blue geometry. We'll click OK, and it's all right that we also selected that rectangle. That's no big deal. But now that we have that geometry selected, let's project it nice and flat on the face of our tooling plate. That's very easily accomplished by using Smart Projection. Smart Projection will take the selected geometry and project it on any surface we digitize. So just make sure you have surface selected, click OK, then take your cursor and just hover over that surface and left click, and as soon as you do that, that geometry is going to be projected. Very, very nice. All right, now let's create our bosses. Let's head back over to the Command Manager, back into our Extrude Tools, and let's use Extruder Boss. I'm going to type in a height of 200,000. So I'm going to type in 0.2, and then I'm going to take my cursor and carefully just left-click that geometry we just projected. Left-click, and then left-click one more time. Same over here. Make sure you're hovering over the geometry we just projected. You want to left-click one more time, and then right-hand mouse click. Very good. Let's turn our alternator bracket layer off. Now we can see our tooling plate. And to finish this up, why don't we quickly put a couple of chamfers on both of those bosses so that the part will fit on there nicely. So I'm going to use the chamfer command at 50 thousandths. We'll click OK, left click, and when we're finished, we can right-hand mouse click. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.